Words also related to letter I. I for ice cream. Ice cream. I for igloo. Igloo. I for eel. Eel. When you feel ill, we go to doctor. Ink pot. I for iron. Iron. Now children, how to write letter I in your English copy? Okay, first look here. These are 3 patterns. 2 sleeping line and 1 standing line. These 3 patterns we will write easily letter I. I for ice cream. All of you love it, no? Yes, all of you like it. I am also like it, ice cream, because ice cream are so cold and yummy. Let's go children, how to write letter I. Now children, how to write letter I. Look these dotted lines properly. Within this dotted line, we are write I. Okay. First one sleeping line like this. Then one standing line like this. And another sleeping line. I. We also write like this. One standing line. Then draw a sleeping line on the top of the standing line and another sleeping line on the bottom of the standing line. I makes a sound E. Write like this. With proper formation, draw a sleeping, standing, sleeping. Either you can draw one standing, sleeping, sleeping. Standing, sleep. I. One standing, one sleeping and another sleeping. I is ready. Now children, we will learn letter J. Let's go. Now kids, which letter is this? Letter J. J makes a sound J. J makes a sound J. Now children, let's learn and identify pictures related to J. J for joker. Joker. Joker makes an entertain us. Yes or no? Yes. J for jar. J for jacket. J for jeep. J for jug. Again, J for joker. Joker. J for jar. Jar. J for jacket. Jacket. J for jeep. Jeep. J for jug. Jug. Now children, how to write letter J? Look, come to your copy. J. How to write letter J? One sleeping line and one standing line, and just put one small curve towards right. Okay, J. Now children, let's write letter J. Look this dotted line properly. Now I am right here letter J. Write with me. One sleeping line, and the middle of the sleeping line we make a standing line, and one small curve towards right. J. Write like this. J. Look properly children. Sleeping, standing, and one curve, small curve. One sleeping, one standing, and curve. J. J makes a sound J. J is ready. Now children, K. Which letter is this? Letter K. K makes a sound K. K for kite. K, K, kite. K for king. K, K, king. K for key. K, K, key. K for kid. K, K, kid. K for kite. K for knife. Because K in this word, K is a silent. That's why we will learn K for knife. Now kids, how to write letter K? Letter K starting with standing line and ending with two slanting line. Look here. One standing line, then one slanting line joined to the standing line, and one slanting line. Again standing, slanting, another slanting. K. K for kite. K. One standing and one slanting joined to the standing line. Again starting from here, join another, make a slanting line. K. 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 K.